Friends, in the modern world of LED lights, still fitted with old filaments is similar as that we reach on moon and are still using lantern. So guys, today we are going to do something like this. We are going to change the old filamentous lights of our car and replace it with brightest LED bulb. But it is not this that I am focusing on 10 lights, so I am doing this. Today we are going to change the number plate. This. Today we are going to change the number plate light. So welcome to one more video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. So you can see guys that the number plate light is downwards. It is not visible, so I will on the flash. So now the flash is on and you can see that this is number plate light. There are two lights, one is this and the other is this. In this way, these two lights are lighten up like a lantern and increases the visibility of number plate. So in this video, we are going to do this, that we'll remove these two lights and we'll replace it with LED and then check it. First of all, let's see the intensity of light. These lights are very old, so I lighted up and saw, but it wasn't working. This means that now time has come to change these lights. So first we'll open the number plate and then the lights are tightened with one nut. After that it is fitted in a lock. So first let's remove this light and then we'll go in the workshop and fit LED in this lights. So guys, to open this light, first we have to open the number plate, which we have already done. So next thing we have to do is opening the bumper. So opening the bumper is not a big rocket science. So you can see 3 bolts here, then the 4th bolt is downwards and remaining 2 bolts are fitted on sides. Then it is okay. Or else here lock is there. You can open them very easily from here. So it's open now. So come on, let's remove it outside. So now guys, this bumper is removed. You can see here that we have already removed the nut. We thought that it must be fitted with single nut and there must be 2 locks on upper side. But you can see that it is fitted with 3 nuts. So if we must have opened it some way, so we will have to open the bumper to fit it. So now come on, let's remove this also and then start our LED work. It is fitted with a very nice fitting, as you can see, and there are 2 separate bulbs, so we'll get a chance to work on 2 independent bulbs. That is a good thing. This is our first light, and after this is our second light. Now come on, let's take the light and fit the LED. First we'll have to make the LED. Come on. Friends, after a keen observation of light, we can understand that we could have removed this light from here also, and the frame can be fitted again by fitting it in the bumper, so that after fitting the light, when we again fit it, we don't have to open the bumper again. So come on, let's remove the light from this and fit this in the bumper. So guys, after removing it from there, we have cleaned it nicely. So guys, this light was not working because it is already fused. You can see here that all the bulbs are not working. All not, the both bulbs are not working because both the bulbs are short. So we have to do LED ignition. This all things we have washed, so it is clean now. We have to do LED connection. So let's come make the LED. So guys, now what we have to do is, this is basically 2 LED of indicator bulb. We had bought it earlier, but it wasn't in use for indicators. So we have taken this 2 already, made it strip of LED. Plus we have taken this fuse bulb. We have taken this also. You can see that in both the LED bulbs 2 wires are coming out. Now what we'll do is cut one of the wire out of the 2 wires in this 2 fused LED bulbs, so that one wire gets fitted in this holder and we'll connect another wire in this. So come on, let's complete it. So guys, as you can see that we have fitted this LED in this, you can see it is fitted from behind. In this also it is fitted from behind. So now what we have to do is put some glue behind it so that it doesn't shakes in vibration and it doesn't breaks. And after tightening it, let's fit it. So guys, now our bulb is complete. You can see here, this one also, behind we have put it glue and in front we have fitted LED. And now we'll fit the cover the way it was, and then we have to fit this in bumper. So come on, let's fit it. So guys, after our light is ready, we are again near the bumper, and this is the socket and this is the bulb which we made, and let's check it once before fitting it, that if it is working properly or not. So first, you can see it is working properly. Let's check the second one also. The coincidence in this is wire has fitted properly, because in LED there is plus minus, so this thing gives a lot of problem. We have fitted the lights. So come on, now let's fit the assembly after fitting the bumper and then see the final result. So guys, finally we have fitted the number plate light. Now it's morning, so you can't see that much clearly. So I hope you will have liked this video of number plate light converting to LED bulb. We'll come again in the next video with some new technique. Thank you very much for watching us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.